Hello and welcome to WebJek. In this video today, I'm going to backup and restore my WordPress website using a free version of Updraft Plus plugin. This is the most popular and highly rated plugin for backup and restore WordPress website. With this plugin, I can move my website one host to another host, but with this free version, I cannot make a copy or clone website one domain to another domain. For website cloning or copy with Updraft Plus plugin required to upgrade, and it costs at least $30. I will go through step by step in detail, so please watch this video to the end to get all details. Let's get started. Okay, first log into WordPress, click to login, plugin, add new, look for Updraft Plus right here. First one, we got it right there. Click to install. Then activate. Now that plugin has been installed right here. So click on setting. So we can just click to backup now. Okay. This one is backup and restore, migrate and clone. That's only required different purchase is at least cost $30. And advanced tool, we got nothing to do with this. And this is the premium version. If you planning to buy one, they have so many extra option on premium, and the free version does not have it. But we are going to use the free version, and that's going to do our backup and restore job. So we're not going to worry about premium at this time. So click on setting. So you can schedule your backup manually every 4 hour, 8 hour, 12 hour, daily, weekly, or monthly, but weekly the best. And keep 2 backup, and after 2 backup override. So 2 backup will be enough. So this is file backup schedule weekly, database backup schedule weekly is 2. Now this is the external storage where we can store the backup. The most of them is the paid version. Only Google Drive you can do for free. But if you use the Google Drive right here, you don't have any option to change this name of the folder. So if you have a multiple site, you can't keep doing this because you're gonna get confused with all the different files. And email, no, your site admin email address, this one right here, configure it here, will be used for more option used to reporting ads on, but most of time is size limit typically around 10 to 20 megabytes. So if you have more larger than 20 megabyte, it will be problem with email. So at this time, we are going to just check everything here: plugin, theme, uploads, any themes, any other thing. And if you want a notification, we don't need it now. So save change. Now we're gonna keep the backup right here on our server. Click on backup now. Include your database, your files. Send this backup to remote storage. We don't need it. Only allow this backup to be deleted manually. Keep it even if retention limits are hit. It does not require it. Click on backup now. Okay. The backup has completed. It is the best way to keep this backup on computer instead of extra storage drive. So I'm going to create a folder on my documents. Create new folder. Name the folder pcgameweb.com. So rename, and this is the folder that we're going to keep our backup right here. Okay. So this is, we're gonna click on database, plugin, themes, uploads, all others. Now download each folder to the folder we just made. One. Alright, so we gotta find the folder, document, right here. So one here, same folder. So this is the all our backup we kept in this folder. Anytime something happened to our website, we can use this one to back our site up. Now this plugin only can do backup and restore. If you want to migrate or clone this site to another domain, there is another plugin that called AllinOne WP Migration, and I had made the video. There's a link in description below. You can check it out, and that's also free. Now this plugin only do backup and restore. Yes, you can do some setup like make schedule backup. that's a good thing. But all is an interval, like already set up the time. But if you want to do more, like whatever time and the day, particular day you want to do, then you have to go to buy premium. The premium is like $42 a year, $70 you pay now, and $42 a year after that. Plus, if you just want a migrator, that costs minimum $30. So if you're just starting out, this is a little costly. Okay, this is our website. It's a demo site. It's nothing, just basic pages. Blog page. Contact page. Okay. Now, if some reason we do some mistake in our website, or something we add on, or some updates, sometime you ruined up your website, and you can use those back to the normal and the same as your site. I'm gonna delete it. These are all our pages. Post we deleted. This is all pages. I'm going to move in trash. Now we go see our website. Nothing there, everything gone. So I'm going to restore my website using the backup that I just made. Upload backup files. We still have backup on our right here, so we can just click right here and get it back. But if some reason, if you can't get into your WordPress dashboard in your admin area, so then we can use that backup we just downloaded in my computer. But we have to delete old WordPress from using cPanel, hosting cPanel, and install new WordPress, install this backup plugin again, then use this backup, the one I saved in my computer, and we can get this website up and running same it was. It is long process, but you still can do this way. Right now we just clicking this one right here, and we're gonna restore the backup, plugin, theme. Make sure you click everything, then click restore. So right now we have site look like this. After the restoration complete, it will be back to the normal. Okay, now restore successful. We have to click this to Updraft Plus configuration. Refresh. So yeah, our site is back to the normal, same way it was. This is a contact page, home page, So this is it for this tutorial, and I hope you like this and you get something. If you're just starting out, then you can use the free version and you can make backup and restore. And if you want to make cloning website to another domain, you want to make the copy on another domain, you can use the another plugin that I have made it with AllinOne WP Migration, and that's completely free, and it does the job up to a little bit 512 megabytes, so more than 500 megabytes. It's a lot. So that's it for today, and don't forget to please subscribe. If you like this video, just make a thumbs up. You have a wonderful day. I hope that this video is very helpful for you and you have got some better idea from this video. I sincerely wish you the best for your future project. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in comments below. I will do my best to respond as soon as possible. To get some more video and internet market resources to help on your project, then please visit my website webjek.com to get some more. I have done my best to provide this video to help to everyone. If you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. Once again, I wish you the best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.